Hi YouTube, we are back today. We wanted to do a fall themed, I guess, a liquor making drink or drinks, martinis and all sorts of stuff. So Kyle is actually going to do the first drink. What is it called?
It is a pumpkin martini. First ingredient is 1.5 ounces of vanilla vodka. I'm going to make for 2, so I'm going to double everything that I say. So this is for us. 1.5 ounces, so I will do 3 ounces of vanilla vodka. The next ingredient is pumpkin spice liqueur, but I couldn't find any pumpkin spice liqueurs, but I got a caramel waffle.
That actually sounds better. I think it does.
Wow, you are not a fall baby.
I am.
No, you're not.
I am.
Say that. 1/2 ounce of this. You're bad.
Today's my birthday too, the first day of fall, so it's my favorite season. What better way than to drink? What better way to celebrate?
Yeah. Well, it's just the it's the 6th anniversary of your 21st birthday.
Okay. Well, we didn't know. Need to tell anyone how old I was. Rude, but that's fine.
Next is 1/4 ounce of Bailey's. Oh my gosh.
That looks really good. I don't know why I like the look of the Bailey's because it's creamy.
Cream liqueur. And then the last ingredient is 1/2 and 1/2. 1 ounce of that.
Mm-hmm. The fat stuff.
Yeah.
That's the good part.
The good part.
Yum.
That is creamy.
I can't wait to try these. These look really good.
This looks
It already
thick.
smells good and thick, yeah. It smells good. It smells good and thick.
Yeah.
So.
Smell how thick it is.
I want to shake it.
Fine, it's your birthday. That's enough. Okay.
I like the cold on my hands. It looks like milk.
It looks like an eggnog.
Yeah, it does look like eggnog.
It's the,
are you even drinking?
I just want to taste.
This is okay.
I just want to taste.
Trying to get me drunk? Are you trying to get me drunk?
It's your birthday.
You're bad. You're definitely gonna have to drink some of this.
Cheers,
so cheers
to fall.
Cheers to fall, guys.
That's nice.
It's really good. It's strong.
It's smooth. That's what
I like
about it.
Yeah, because
Smooth
it's creamy.
A little bit of sweet.
It really
I
does
like it.
taste like the eggnog. So try this at home.
This is way better than
if you're old enough. It actually is better than spiked eggnog.
Is gross,
because it has more flavors in there. It has more mixture of flavors.
Is it strong?
Are you gonna drink some with me?
Yeah, I'm already done with mine.
Yeah, because you poured like a sip. Okay.
All right, let's get the liquors for the next one.
Okay. The next one is going to be an Irish apple martini. So the first thing that we are going to do is 1.5 ounces actually of Irish whiskey, or pretty much any whiskey that you have. So we're going to pour that in here. I'm the best bartender ever.
Yeah, you don't fumble.
And you know, we didn't have that much. That may not be a 1.5, but close enough. And then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of sour apple pucker. I can say it correctly.
You enunciate very well.
Try to say that 3 times fast. Sour apple pucker, sour apple pucker, sour apple pucker. Actually, that was easy.
You're good at it.
Okay, so
I can't do that.
1/2 ounce of this. So I'm just gonna do one full thing because there's 2 of us. All right, and then lastly is gonna be some white cranberry juice, and that's just gonna be 1.5 ounces. So I'm gonna do 2 of these, and you can get the white cranberry peach if that's all they have. Like for us, that's all they had. So this is gonna be hard to pour.
You need 2 hands? Do you want me to help you with that?
Clearly I need 2 hands. One.
Yeah, I'll help you.
Wait, because it's really slippery, I'm not gonna lie. Plus my hands aren't.
Yeah, it's real slippery.
My hands aren't that big, so. Okay.
Slippery.
Whatever, Kyle. Okay. Are you ready for this?
Shake it up.
Are you ready for this?
Shake it off.
We need to clean those out soon so we can use them.
I'm right on it.
This doesn't make very
Yeah,
much.
it's your birthday.
This does not make very
it's
much.
a martini.
This is the tiniest martini. This is for one. Happy martini for one.
Yeah.
And
Paging Dr. Martini. I like it.
oh, I thought it was gonna be stronger than it was. Okay.
Mm.
It smells.
You're so
You know
dramatic.
why? Because I'm not
You're
a
so
fan
dramatic.
of a whiskey. That's why. So the smell of whiskey freaks me out.
I'm glad
But
you picked this one because you're not a fan of it.
the smell of whiskey freaks me out. But this actually, it's mostly this taste, so I actually don't mind it. It's pretty good.
I think you got an eyelash in here. That's bad. I'll drink it because I love you.
That's really funny. I mean, I did just get my eyelashes
I
done.
can feel you inside of me.
That's He's nuts, y'all. All right, these are actually
All right.
pretty good. So
Let's clean
so
these
far,
out. We're making 2 more. This
but
is
which
pretty
one?
good. I like this.
You like this one the best?
Mm,
I like the first one the best for sure.
they're both good.
But this is good if you want something sour. Just
All
I
right.
like it. All right, so let's do the
Ingredients
next
for the next one.
drink. All right, so we have clean the cups. Thank you for doing that.
Mm-hmm.
And what's the next one?
The next one is a salted caramel apple.
That sounds good. That sounds
like
really
a nice fall festival.
good. It does.
Oh.
What's your favorite thing at the fall festival? Like food?
I'd probably go with corn on the cob.
Really?
Yeah, that sounds
Okay.
really good.
I like the turkey legs and the funnel cake. I can't decide, so.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so the first ingredient is 1.5 ounces of vodka. Bloop. The next is 1/2 ounce of sour apple pucker.
Say it faster.
No, I can't. I fumble over it every time. So 1/2 ounce of this. Yeah. Okay. And then 1/2 ounce of caramel. Here's your caramel. 1/2 ounce. This is real thick and slow.
He has to be super accurate because if it was me, I would just be pouring the caramel in there as much as possible.
That's
'cause,
where things go wrong.
I mean, that's when it's real sweet and yummy.
Yeah. That's when it's all caramel.
The whole drink.
It's like a milkshake. Okay. Then there is 2 ounces of applesauce.
Applesauce?
Apple juice, sorry. I eat
I mean,
applesauce every morning.
You
so-
could use applesauce. And
Applesauce sounds good.
It'd be like a smoothie liquor.
Yeah, that would be good. And then a dash of salt. Okay. Can you shake this for me?
I will shake it.
While you shake it, I am going to rim the glasses with caramel.
That's the yummy part.
Yeah, that does sound like a good part. Let it drip off.
I smell the sour apple pucker and it smells so good. It smells
Good.
like, oh, or maybe it's the apple
You can
juice.
pour that one.
Oh, okay. Let's make sure this stays
And
closed.
put extra caramel on mine.
I'm really pouring myself some drinks.
Yeah, it's your birthday, so
Actually, this
I'm
one
not
does have a
judging.
lot in there, so
that one is big.
this one is big. Oh my god.
It's because it's got
Still going.
apple juice.
Yeah,
juice
that's
this
true.
time, yeah.
That's true.
You gave me more this time. Thank you.
You're welcome. Cheers.
To caramel.
Hands down.
Whoa.
It's
That
because
is
it's
good.
straight up. Okay, this one would definitely sneak up on you because it's straight up apple juice. It's apple juice, but
And caramel.
I don't taste the vodka or whatever was
Mm-hmm.
in it. Yeah, vodka.
Vodka. This stuff is good. Tastes like kindergarten.
This is really like. We're like, but seriously, this is really. It reminds me of a caramel apple. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All
All
right.
right, and set up for the next one.
I'll grab some stuff for the next one. We'll be right back. All right, so the next drink that we have is called an apple cider margarita. And that
Game changer.
Sounds really good, actually. So the first thing that we are going to do is 1.5 ounces of tequila. It's supposed to be gold tequila, but since we don't have that, we're going to use tequila rose,
strawberry cream.
Actually, it sounds kind of good. I mean, a little different. We're a little scared. Let's just say we're a little skeptical. So, but it's going to be 1.5 ounces of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour 2. Oh man,
that's thick. That's thick tequila.
This is different than I thought. I'm not even going to lie.
Looks like Pepto-Bismol.
Oh my God. That sounds appetizing.
Yeah.
So basically we're pouring Pepto-Bismol in here.
Don't think that.
That's what you said.
Don't get it in your mind.
All right. And then a half of Grand Marnier. There
Grand
we go.
Marnier.
A half an ounce of that. So we're just going to put a full one in. I'm just going to
do it.
Go for like a...
It's all going the same place.
All right. 2. Okay. And then 4 ounces of apple cider. So we've got 4 ounces of apple cider. Actually 8 ounces of apple cider at this point. Is that gonna fit?
Don't overfill it. Perfect.
All right. And the last thing I think.
No, you shake it. I'll do this.
Oh, okay.
I'll do the rim. For the rim, we got. Sorry.
Am I explaining or are you?
It's your birthday. Go ahead.
I'm just kidding.
I thought you were gonna be shaking.
Okay, I'm gonna be shaking. You explain.
Okay. For the rim, we're using cinnamon sugar.
It smells. I smell the strawberry.
Like Pepto?
No, I smell the strawberry a lot actually. Or maybe it's the apple. No, it smells like strawberry. So this is gonna be a remix. Done a remake
to ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that ball. It's not that kind of remix.
It's not that kind of remix. But this is a remix. All right, so I'm gonna pour it. I think we need it, even though this is new, I mean, it's leaking a little bit every time I pour. It's kind of
doesn't make a good connection.
It doesn't.
It's okay. Okay, splashing. Get over.
Sorry.
Okay.
All right, cheers to our last fall drink, and we're a little scared, but let's try it.
Hail Mary.
Oh, whoa! I just got cinnamon all over my face, but cinnamon challenge on accident.
It's actually pretty good.
See? It wasn't as...
Yeah.
No, really, what do you think? I think it's good.
Yeah, I think this would taste really weird with normal tequila.
And actually, yeah. Because the strawberry gives it a good flavor.
Good, yeah.
I know. Man, I don't know which one I like the best. I feel like there's cinnamon all over my face. Is there?
No.
Okay, good.
It's just your face.
My face is cinnamony, like chocolatey.
Yeah, that's it.
Why are you rude? Anywho, I am gonna actually. I think I'm gonna choose this one for my favorite.
Okay.
This is actually really good. What's yours?
I like the first one. The pumpkin martini turns caramel waffle.
We made a lot of changes. So,
but they're good changes.
They're super good. I mean, try either or. You can either try the pumpkin, or you can try the waffle. You can either try regular tequila, or you can try the rose tequila.
Your freedom.
Your freedom.
Your life.
And we're out.
Peace.
Bye, YouTube.